Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is LovelyAma. Sorry if it's been a while since I've done a video back, but work is taking all my time. And in today's video we are going to do carrot oil. I'm going to show you two types of carrot oil, and these are the things that you'll be needing to do your carrot oil. First of all, you need your carrot, then oils that you'd like to use to do it, and your container, and etc. So let's start with the video. First of all, I'm going to grate my carrot. I've already prepared the carrot. I've already washed it, cut what I have to cut away. Now I'm going to grate it to prepare my oil.
Samiti wunda mi waza mi nyamumpo midajendo sunwo mimwa ware chichir mami enichi sweet na minche mami mohu nkomo bi minkomo nyinara nyide mewa peza mahutapa udo ashemi ma my baby, and don't you break my heart.
So after grating the carrots, I'm going to divide it into two parts. I'm going to put some in my jar for my first oil, because you're going to do two types of oil, carrot oil. I'm going to put a little bit in my jar, and then I'm going to pour olive oil and my castor oil to prepare this one. Since the oil was not enough, later on I'll add a little bit of olive oil so that my oil will cover my carrot here. So I have put a saucepan on the fire with water in it, and you have to let the water to be a little bit hot. You can even bring it to boil, and then after you have bring your water to boil, guys, we are going to place our jar inside of it. So after placing the jar inside of it, we are going to cover it and wait for 10 minutes. So guys, it's already 10 minutes, and I'm going to remove my jar from the water. You have to be very careful not to hurt yourself because it's very hot, and we will place it somewhere to let it cool before putting it in our container.
Stay with me, oh baby, stay with me.
So for the second oil, guys, we are going to place this a frying pan here, a pan on the fire. We are going to pour our olive oil inside of it, and then we are going to put our carrot also inside the olive oil.
Sorry, I'm not me won't find me. I don't feel my no. Menya send my baby boy. I surrender. What my was see me.
So after putting the carrot inside, we are going to stir it and let the oil sit on the fire for 10 minutes. We are going to wait for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you see that like you have to let the carrots to be brown. Yeah. So this is how it must be, and after that we are going to pour our first oil in our container because it's cool now. So this is how it is.
Sorry, how do you way? Na 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 so free Jamaica, me the American Beko Shanwe, man, I want to. I tell you about Nasi, now me share when you are, and no name me or a chichi, me who and me won't tell me, how do you?
So after pouring our first oil, this is how it must be. It must have this color, and I'm going to use this oil as my sealed in. When I do my lock method, I'm going to mix this oil with my other oils and yeah, use it. And so guys, we are going to pour our second oil in our container. So that one too must have this color. It's normally have this color.
Only one is your anchor, no, only one me tena. Only one me tena. No, what only one me tena. Only one is your anchor. Only one is your anchor. Only one is your anchor. Oh yeah.
So I did this disaster when pouring it, and I'll clean it just in a minute. So I'm going to use this oil as spray poo and my hot oil treatment. So this is the color that it must have, very nice color. So guys, now these are my two ways to do oils. Thanks so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share with your friends. See you in my next video. Bye. So first of all, let's start with the aloe vera leaf.